Hello from Seoul. We all want a healthy chicken and rice that actually tastes good. Congratulations, you just found it. Today, we're gonna be making miso garlic chicken rice, one of the greatest chicken dishes of all time. With a super simple miso marinade, you can have a healthy and delicious meal in just 15 minutes. So if you're sick and tired of eating the same boring chicken and rice every single day, please give this a try. Trust me, as always, you'll blow your mind. For this, you'll need some chicken, garlic, and rice. So simple, right? But if you add some veggies here, you will become healthier and a perfectly balanced meal. So let's bring some cucumber and cherry tomatoes. And to keep things simple, I'm not gonna make any dressing for these bad boys. Don't worry about it. These alone will be more than enough. Alright, let's prep the vegetables. First, smash 3 cloves of garlic and finely chop them. Next, take 2 to 3 green onions and thinly slice them. Actually, green onions are optional. That's why I didn't mention them earlier. But as an official green onion guy, not using these bad boys is kind of a crime, right? So if you feel the same way, go ahead and use some. As always, it's gonna be more delicious. Now, let's move on to the marinade. In a small container, add 2 tablespoons of miso, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of mirin, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, finely chopped garlic, a few shakes of black pepper, and give it a good mix. Here, if you want to add a bit of acidity, you could add some lemon juice or rice vinegar, but I prefer serving it with some lemon wedges at the end. Trust me, that's gonna be way tastier. By the way, we have all the instructions and a list of ingredients on our blog, aaronandclaire.com. So please visit here if you need a written recipe. Now, let's pour the marinade over 1 pound of boneless skin on chicken thighs and give them a good massage. If you wanna make this dish look a bit fancier, you could use your knife to flatten out those uneven parts. But honestly, I'm so exhausted from looking after my baby, so I'm just gonna skip that. If you're like me, I'm sure you will totally understand what I'm talking about. For information, this miso chicken will taste better if you marinate it for 3 to 4 hours. If you cook it tomorrow, they'll be even tastier. So if you can wait for a while, give them some time to rest in the fridge. But that doesn't mean it tastes bad if you cook it right now. So don't worry about it. What? You wanna enjoy this both now and later? Then just double the recipe and use 2 pounds of chicken. Pretty good tip, right? Alright, it's cooking time. In a large pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and heat it over medium heat. Once it gets nice and hot, place your marinated chicken skin side down. And then let them sear for about 4 minutes. In this step, grab your spatula and gently press down the chicken to get the nice even browning. But if this sounds like a hassle, you can just use grill press instead. No problem at all. Once the bottom turns nice golden brown and you've got some fat from the skin, flip and sear the other side for another 4 to 5 minutes or until they're cooked through. Here, because of the miso marinade, the chicken can burn very easily. So make sure to keep your heat on medium or even medium-low. What? You think we need a crazy high heat for the nice caramelization and the flavor? Look, I've experimented with every single method to give you the perfect recipe. High heat and this marinade, they are like oil and water. See? I learned the lesson the hard way. So don't even think about it and just follow my lead. Don't worry about it. Our miso marinade will take care of all the deep flavor that you're looking for. And I highly recommend using a non-stick pan for this recipe. What? You wanna know this kind of tip more and more? I'm so glad you brought that up because everything you need is in these 2 books. Trust me, with these bad boys, Simply Korean and Beyond Korean, you can cook 200 East Asian dishes like Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and even Korean fusion dishes like a pro. So don't forget to check them out. The link is in the description. Alright, our chicken is done. Let's remove them from the pan and let them rest for a few minutes. Once they are cool enough to handle, just slice them into nice bite-sized pieces. How does it look? Looks absolutely gorgeous, right? Alright, let's plate this up. Put some rice on a serving plate. And add our beautiful miso garlic chicken, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and some lemon wedges. And last but not least, let's sprinkle on some green onions. Alright, it's really done. You wanna know how it tastes? Alright, let's call our taste tester.
Claire.
우와, 위에 있는 닭고기가 진짜 먹음직스럽게 잘 구워졌다. 반질반질 윤기도 나고 위에 살짝 그을른 부분이, 거기다가 알록달록한 가니쉬까지 정말 식욕을 불러일으키네요. 너무 맛있어 보인다고 나, 그지? 엄마가 아침에 많이 안 먹어. 엄마가 아침에 오늘 많이 안 먹어가지고 진짜 너무 배고프거든? 허겁지겁 먹어도 이해를 해줘. 요 녀석. 아, 엄마 배에서 뽀로로 소리 난다. 들어갔겠다. 오 마이 갓. Cheers! 미쳤다. 진짜 촉촉하니 너무 맛있다. 하나만 더 먹어볼게요. 계속 쭉쭉 먹고 싶습니다. 일단 닭고기가 진짜 말해 뭐해. 그냥 보기만 해도 촉촉한 게 느껴지는데 딱 입에 넣었었을 때 정말 촉촉하니 너무 맛있고, 껍질까지 같이 구워주니까 좀 다른 식감을 같이 두 가지 동시에 느낄 수 있으니까 더 맛있는 것 같아요. 그리고 이 메리네이드 너무 괜찮은데? 짭조름하면서 정말 그냥 말 그대로 감칠맛 폭탄인 너무 맛있는 메리네이드야. 너무 맛있다. 이번에는 레몬을 좀 뿌려가지고 먹어볼게. 한 번도 요 조합까지는 생각 못 해봤는데 왠지 맛있을 것 같아. 정말 맛있을 것 같아. 나 이게 레몬이야. Cheers! 맛있다. 되게 상큼하면서 개운한 맛이 촥 추가가 되면서 또 다른 맛으로 또 맛있네. 오! 이렇게 닭다리살이랑 해도 너무 맛있는데, 내가 만약에 치킨 윙을 더 좋아하는 사람이다 그러면 이 메리네이드 치킨 윙이랑 해도 너무너무너무 괜찮을 것 같아. 닭날개, 응? 오븐에다가 싹 구운 다음에 메리네이드 싹 발라가지고 샥 해도 너무너무 맛있을 것 같은데? 아, 여기 이렇게 양념이 조금씩 묻어있는 요 녀석 이 밥들도 너무 맛있어 보이네. 응? 미소랑 밥은 뭐 원체 잘 어울리는 조합이니까. 간장 베이스의 데리야끼 치킨 좋아하는 사람들 요거 한번 도전해보면 또 살짝 아주 미묘하게 조금 다르면서도 맛있어서 너무 좋아할 것 같은데. 확실한 일본의 풍미긴 한데 데리야끼랑은 약간은 다른, 좋아할 것 같아. 깡년 추천. 맛있다.
왜 이렇게 카메라를 보니?
왜? 너희 얼굴을 보는 거야? 엄마를 보는 거야?
화면을 엄청 보는 거야.
이거 미디어 노출인데? As always, it's so delicious. Hope you guys try and enjoy. 이게 또 궁금해? 너도 먹을 거야 이걸로? 잡아보고 싶어.
Today, I showed you how to make miso garlic chicken rice, one of the best chicken dishes of all time. How was it? It's incredibly easy and simple, right? As you can see, if you have some miso in your fridge, you can whip up this amazing chicken rice even on a busy weeknight. So go ahead and rescue that lonely miso dying in your fridge and give this a try. Trust me, if you do, you will make one of the greatest chicken rice dishes of all time. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.